tech meme review, because our production schedule got fucked up this week. Let's go! Today's drink of choice is water. Again, not the Russian kind. It's only like 4:30 in the afternoon when we're recording this for once, and not the dead of night, and I might have to drive later. So, yeah, water.
And it's 120 degrees outside.
Also true. It's ungodly hot.
Hooray for Arizona.
True.
Alright, first meme. Me, ready to buy a new GPU. Run into there. GPU market being fucked. Well, that's illegal, especially if that's soccer. Because they're more pansy than basketball players. So, yeah.
I don't know. Some of them are getting up there nowadays.
Really?
With basketball, there are some things in the playoffs I've seen that just couldn't make me go, really?
Yeah. Okay, fair enough. But, well, there is hope for the future. GPU market will recover by next year, according to all credible sources, including Lisa Su herself, as well as, you notice what the price dropped on eBay. So slowly but surely, it is recovering.
Balance is returning to the force.
Yes. Alright, next one. See, I didn't say it. This is how we turned on our computers in the 2000s. Just using your foot. I keep that staying out of the meme on accident. Anyway, well, yeah, you have a workstation with a front-facing power button just on the bottom there. Happens. Or, you know, people still do it today if their cases are down by their feet and whatnot. Just make sure your case isn't on bare carpet and you're good to go.
So I actually bought something for my computer. It's like an external power button that's actually under my desk.
So you just tap your foot on that?
No.
Okay.
Oh, it's like a button on the bottom side of your desk?
I basically just punch my desk and my computer turns on.
Okay. Nice. Moving on. They call me 007. 0 chances of being a GPU. Geo, 0 stock left. 7,000 and more bots getting said GPUs. Yeah, you will never be able to beat a machine when it comes to like automatically buying and selling stuff, so you best not even try. Also, Daniel Craig is the best James Bond, and you can't at me.
It's not even close, really.
Yeah.
Let's be honest.
Yeah. I didn't do a transition for that one. Moving on.
You gotta learn how to say it in other languages and get fancy about it.
I don't. Hold on.
How do you say moving on in Japanese?
I was about to Google that. People with 2000 series complain that they cannot get 3000 series. People with a 700 series. I have several friends that are in that position right now, and yeah, it sucks. One of them finally got a 3070 Ti the other day, though.
See, the thing is, like, I wouldn't mind upgrading, but none of them fit into my case.
Yeah. I don't think it's worth upgrading 2000 to 3000 anyway, in the first place. The people that kind of have a chip on their shoulder the most about this, though, are those who offloaded their 2000 series cards when the 30 series got announced and are just GPU-less now.
Oh, those 2080 Ti holders.
I know. Just remember, always, whether it's stonks or GPUs, hodl.
Hodl.
Sugi, my phone is more powerful than your PC. Cool, so can you play CSGO with me? I mean, that is a fair point. Phones are really, really powerful and whatnot, but they just can't run full-size apps or games and everything, you know? All because everything is just based on some degree of ARM architecture and not standard x86. So, yeah, it is true.
Will ARM conform, or do you think they'll ever just, like...
Let's see what happens after NVIDIA.
You got a point there.
Yeah, let's see how NVIDIA treats them. Sugi. It's easier to say than, like, moving on or next or whatever.
Yeah.
No, it is. Okay, words. Laptops in the early 2000s. I have a USB ports, a headphone port, microphone port, floppy disk drive, CD drive, Ethernet port, VGA port, HDMI port, and much more. Laptops now. Best I can do is USB ports, a headphone port, and possibly HDMI. I mean, if you have a MacBook, you're not even getting a full-size USB port. Yeah, it's no doubt that I/O definitely took a hit when things started getting thinner and lighter. And then I feel like some companies realized, okay, this is a little bit much. We'll give you more I/O in exchange for more thickness.
I think the farthest they went was the Gram.
Yeah.
LG's Gram.
Yeah, that was almost stupid. I guess what I have to say also is, like, is a regular USB port or HDMI port really that thick? Like, I don't think it is.
No.
Yeah, it's like, I think it's fine having that on a laptop. It'd be nice if it was standard, especially if the laptop costs greater than $1,000.
Right.
Yeah.
Does your laptop have an HDMI port?
I don't think so. My old Blade Stealth did, though.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, this one does not. But at least has 2 USB and 2 USB-C. Headphone jack, too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. the most important part.
I was about to say, God forbids the day that laptops no longer support headphone jacks.
I know. Next one. When you think your system could probably sound better, then you play a properly recorded and mastered album. No, it's the recording and mastering engineers that are wrong. To a certain extent. Like, I know for metal, with metal for a while there was definitely the loudness war going on with mixing. And even the likes of Metallica put out some pretty recorded albums in terms of the mixing and whatnot. So, yeah.
They're wrong.
I mean, objectively, yes.
True.
Yeah, so.
They have gotten better.
Yeah. There's also a reason why Hotel California is like the constant litmus test for everything. Moving right along. This is a repost. Front side cable management. All happy. You want to give Mickey a hug, photo, maybe have him sign something. The back side. Florida Mickey is messed up. I'm sorry, this picture of like Mickey Mouse on the bottom is just like hauntingly disturbing and whatnot. And yeah.
It is classic internet horror.
Yeah, exactly. I also kind of want to know the context behind that. Like, if it was just like some friends fucking around, or... Yeah.
Or if it was a 4chan Urban Explorer.
Yeah, exactly. You know, stuff like that. No, there are a lot more PC cases are coming out with Windows on the backside now, so...
So you can't have a reason to do a bad job.
Yeah, you can't hide. Suji. The global internet is being confirmed by Sharts, Google confirms. This is... I didn't think this was a meme. I thought this was an actual article, isn't it?
It is, but it
okay.
in itself is a meme.
It's kind of funny, I guess. Well, I mean, okay, so there is like some reason for it, right? So sharks are drawn to electromagnetic currents and whatnot, which is why if you look up shark attacks, then people that wear watches are more prevalent with stuff. So like the little electric waterproof like diving watches too and whatnot, which has the battery in it. So that's a little fun fact. So it does kind of make sense. But luckily, I don't think the sharks are going to do much to all the metal plating around the cable. So I think we're okay. Checking out the next one. Hey, Intel, why do you always wear that mask? 5.3 GHz. 14 Amber. Let's keep this on. You know, credit to where credit is due. Intel has gotten really, really good with their 14 nanometer stuff, especially their 11 series being a backport of a 10 nanometer process. So, good job at the cost of a lot of heat and a lot of power. Closing 2 apps and shutting down. Oh no! Shut it down anyway. Anyway, yeah. Love how the bomb part of the meeting actually said it.
Shut down anyway.
Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, well, hopefully you didn't forget to save your work with whatever you were doing there. Because the way that Windows 10 handles shutting down your PC, I don't quite understand why it makes a point to shut down things before closing, because shutdown is more closer to a sleep than it is like a full shutdown, like it used to be. So, yeah, if you ever want to fully refresh your system and OS and everything, you need to actually restart it now. So,
like full unplug?
No, I mean hit restart as opposed to shut down in Windows if you want to like actually refresh your shit.
Interesting.
Yeah. Okay. Hello there, General. It's like the bottom half isn't what the lightsabers are loading. What's it doing? Oh, Internet Explorer. You were so sweet, but you're a little bit slow. Yeah. Also, the Merryweathery IE comments are cute. Go look those up if you don't know. Moving on. GeForce RTX. NVIDIA RTX 3060 GPU is being sold for as low as $270 by miners as China's crackdowns continue. I go to China! Alright, yeah, it's like that's part of the reason why the prices are dropping down, is because China has been doing cryptocurrency enforcement and restrictions and whatnot. And also, NVIDIA has started limiting the hash rate for Ethereum, which, believe it or not, has actually been working. And so, yeah, we're going to start. Yeah, and you can, I believe, it's either PC Gamer or Tom's Hardware or Tom's Guide or something like that. One of those 3 websites, I believe, has like a graph that shows the aggregate prices of GPUs over time for eBay, like on eBay and everything. And it's on a solid downward curve right now, which is a good sign. Although I've also seen posts on /G talking about how a lot of Chinese farms are moving to Texas to start mining. So, yeah, we'll see what becomes of that. But either way, I go to China. Well, I guess that'll do it for this tech meme review. So thank you all so much for tuning in and watching. And make sure to like, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and make sure to leave a comment. We try and keep that engagement up because the algorithms like engagement and whatnot. If you felt this video was worth sharing, please also share it around to your friends. If one of you just shared it with one of your friends, that'd help us out a lot. So thank you. Once again, thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.